Hello children, welcome back again for our next session of mathematics, and we were in chapter number 6, squares and square roots. So let us begin with our today's topic. That will be the last topic of this chapter, children. That is least number added to get a perfect square. In the last session we have done with the topic least numbers subtracted to get a perfect square. So let us begin with our today's topic, children. Exercise 6.4, question number 5. Find the least number which must be added to get to each of the following numbers so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square so obtained. So here two things you have to do. First, find the least number which should be added to the given number to get a perfect square, and then when you add the number you get a new number, and then you have to find the square root of that new number. So let us begin how to solve. So 525 division method, everybody, I hope now it is very much clear, children, and I hope you all are practicing this. So let us further proceed with the division method. So 525, first we have paired it, right? Now let us start dividing. That is 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4 will be 1, and the next pair will come down, that is 25. And here the left hand side we will add the same number, that is 2 plus 2 will be 4. And after 4 now we have to take such a number that product of this whole number multiplied by that number which we have taken should be equal or less than 125. Now we have found that 42 multiplied by 2 will be 84. Now 43 multiplied by 3 will be greater than 125. So we will take 2. So 42 multiplied by 2 is 84, and 125 minus 84 is 41. And left hand side now we will add here the same number, that is 42 plus 2 will be 44. Now if you notice, children, here the number is 44 and here it is 41. So this number is less than this, so we cannot further divide. So we will stop here. Now our remainder is 41. So now, children, the next step is you have to now concentrate over here this number, that is 22. So let us proceed. Now since the remainder is 41, therefore 22 square will be less than 525 because remainder was the left, that is 41. So obviously 22 square will be less than 525. So next perfect square number will be 23 square. After 22 what comes? That is 23. So first we will find 23 square which is equal to 529. So now what we are going to do is after 525 the next perfect square number is 529. So in 525 we will subtract from 529. That means we will get a number which we have to add in the given number to make it a perfect square. Because after 525 now we have found that 529 is a perfect square. So this 525 we have to make it 529. And how to make it? That after adding 4 in the 525 we will get 529. We have to find the least number which we have to add in the given number. So from the greater number we have subtracted the given number and we found the number which we have to add. That is then 525 plus 4 will be equal to 529, where 529 is now our perfect square. And we know it is the square of 23. That was the next number which we got over here. So this is how you are going to find, children. Once again we will see one more example. Now the next one is, second one is 1750. So here first we will do the division method. So 17 is the first pair, 50 is the next pair. Concentrate first on the 17. Okay. So let us begin. So 4 4s are 16 because 5 5 25 will be a greater than 17. So now 4, 4, and here we have taken 4. So I will add here 4. That is 4 plus 4 will be 8, and after 8 there will be a dash. Now here this side 17 minus 16 is 1, and the next pair will come down, that is 50. So the number over here is now 150. Now in the dash we have to take such a number that this whole number multiplied by the same number should be equal or less than 150. So I found that 81 multiplied by 1, because if I take 2 in the place of here, so 82 multiplied by 2, the product will be greater than 150. So this is 2 2s are 4, 8 2s are 16. It will be 164, which is greater than 150. So we cannot take 2, right? So I have to take, next number is 81 multiplied by 1. Whichever number you are taking here, the same number you have to multiply with that, the whole number. So here next one is, so it will get 89 over here. So 150 minus, sorry, 81, 150 minus 81 will be 69. Further we cannot divide because here the number will be greater, children. So 69 is the remainder. That means 1750 is not a perfect square, and we have to now concentrate on this number which we got over here, that is 41. Okay, so 41 square will be less than 1750. So we will move to our next square number, that is a perfect square, that is 42 square it will be, right? So here you have to take now, see here children, 41 square is less than 1750. So the next perfect square number will be of 42 square. After 41 it will come 42. So 42 square we have to first find out, that is 42 multiplied by 42, that we get is 1764 we will get. So hence what you are going to do now, from this bigger number you will subtract the smaller number, and hence after doing that we will get number 14. So 14 is the number which you have to add in the given number to get a perfect square number. After adding 14 you will get 1764, and we know it is a square of 42. That is after 41 we have found the next number square, that is 42 square. So this is how you are going to solve. Let us take one more example. The next example is 252. So same, we will do the division method. Now after dividing we get the number over here is 15. So hence 15 square will be obviously less than 252. So the next number towards this, so after 15 we will take the next number, that is after 15 the number will be 16. So first find out what is the 16 square, that is 16 multiplied by 16 will be equal to 256, which is the next square number, perfect square number after whichever, that is the number is given 252. So 256 once you get, what you are going to do is subtract 252 from 256. You will get 4. So 4 is the number which you have to add in the given number to get a perfect square. So after adding 4 to 252 we will get 256, and we know that 256 is the square of 16. So hence the square root of 256 is 16. Now one more very important I want to tell you children, in spite of writing like this answer, start using the sign of square root everywhere. Everywhere, wherever you write the final answer, so write down square root of 256 is equal to 16. So this please write it down. Alright, so let us proceed. Fourth one is 1825. Again the division now method everybody knows. This I will not explain now. You practice by your own. So here number is 42. So 42 square will be obviously less than 1825. So let us take the next square number will be 43 square. So 43 square is 1849. So you have to subtract now 1825 from 1849. After subtracting, children, we will get 24. And then you have to add, this is the number which we have to add, this is the least number which we will add in the given number to get a perfect square. So it is 1825 plus 24 will give you 1849. So hence the square root of 1849 is 43. So this is, I hope now it is clear and very easy. The final one, that is the fifth one, is 6412. First pair it. Take the number over here. 8 8s are 64. 64 minus 64 will give you 0. The next pair will come down, that is 12 is the number, and 8 plus 8 will be 16 over here. And after 16, now the least number which we can take is 0. So 160, 0, 0. Okay, and the remainder is 12 now. So here you have to concentrate now. This 80 square will be obviously less than 6412. So we will take the next number of this 80, that is 81. So find out the square of 81. So after multiplying 81 into 81, we get 6561. So what we are going to do next step is, we will subtract the given number from this square of 81 and we get 149. Hence this is the number which we are going to add in given number. After adding, we will get 6561, which is the square of 81. Hence the square root of 6561 is 81. So this was the last topic, children. Start practicing, start studying. And here we will end up our chapter. So in the next session we will start with our next chapter, that is chapter number 7, cube and cube roots. Till then, start studying. Thank you. Bye bye.